What's up, everyone? I am messing around with my Entina 2 mini 3D printer. I have successfully printed a little cat ring. Little details ain't gonna show up. But anyways, right now I am attempting to print 4 of the dummy rounds, and we're gonna see. Let me turn the phone over. Excuse the mess that is my wife's desk, but there it is. That's the start. Bring you guys back at the end when it's all done. Let you know how long it takes too. Alright, everyone, got it all printed off. I'm gonna get them off the printer, get them all cleaned up, and we'll compare it to a regular 9mm round. Be back in a few. Alright, everybody, there they are. Now, the one thing I am noticing is that they're about maybe a millimeter taller, so we'll have to see on that. But I'm going to do some function checks and things off camera, and I'll do some more videos on these and let you know. If you guys got questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later.